What's up YouTube? My name is Chad. This is the Wisco Boater channel. I know I said the next video is going to be some news about summer and some changes that happened in my life over the last few months. That video will be put off another week or so because today I am moving from Quarterdeck over to CenterPointe. They need the slip that I'm in for this week, and tomorrow's Monday. Today's Sunday, April 30th. Tomorrow is supposed to be extremely windy, so I need to be out of the slip by Monday, but I'm going to go ahead and move this morning. So it's 10 in the morning. I've got a crew, Kevin and Michelle going to be here, Jim and Teresa, and they're going to help me get the boat off the dock here and catch me over at CenterPointe. So we're going to move here in about 20 minutes, and it's not raining right now, but the boat is covered in water spots on the window, so it's going to be a rainy view on the trip over there, but I'll go ahead and video that. It's just a quick 5-minute ride, so time to start getting things ready and get off the dock here and move over to the new home at CenterPointe Marina. All right, got the blowers running, and crew is just about here, so we'll let the blowers run for 4 or 5 minutes, get the engines going, warmed up, and we'll be off the dock here shortly. Turn the camera around, it's a nasty day. Yeah, so there's going to be the view. We're primed a little bit on that one. Ready? You on?
Oh, you. Good.
Good, Jim?
Yep. We're boating.
We are boating.
Might as well just pedal along.
39 degrees and misty rain.
Take your time.
Yep. Yep. All right, thank you to my illustrious crew, Jim, Kevin, Michelle, Teresa. Okay, back on board Thirsty Whale. Thanks to my crew, as you just saw there. Nasty day today, but the winds are super light. Tomorrow's supposed to be really bad with the winds, so had to get moved over here today, even though it wasn't the greatest of days to film a video. But it was kind of cool to get some drone footage there. Thank you to my friend Kevin O'Donnell. If you have not checked out his channel on YouTube, it is called Kevin O'Donnell. He does the Behind the Door series. Fantastic channel if you want to know anything about Door County. He does a wonderful job of documenting some of the coolest places around Door County. So check his channel out, Kevin O'Donnell. I'll put a link below if you want to click over there and give him a watch and subscribe. So I'm going to get things in order here on the new dock. And at some point, I'll show you around a little bit on another video. There was a video earlier, well, I guess it was late last fall, early winter, where I kind of did a real quick tour of where we're going to be. But I'll show you around the place in a little more detail in the future. But thanks for watching this episode on the Wisco Boater channel. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time. Happy boating, everybody.